Hello everyone, this is Arif and we are with another video at the moment. First of all, if you have not subscribed our channel, so please subscribe our channel so that you can watch our latest videos. At the moment, we are in rural areas of Japan. You can see behind me, if Navid can show you the rice. You can see crop is there, and then you can see certain sheds. Actually, the purpose of making this video was to make you people aware and to show you about this technique and this advanced kind of farming in Japan. Japan at the moment is a country which is very well known for advanced research in agriculture, like Germany, Israel, and there are some other countries. But at the moment, if Navid, can you please show them this one. You can see there are different vegetables there, different fruits are there. You can even find some apple trees, like on our way we have seen different kind of fruits, different kind of vegetables. So the basic purpose and the beauty, if you see, like so much well organized, well planned. This is all actually what we need in different countries. Like my country, I'm from Pakistan. Pakistan is not having, we are having abundant land, but at the moment the techniques we are using, those are not advanced. So different countries, developing countries, they need such kind of latest techniques, such kind of advanced techniques, so that our agricultural products can be increased. And if our agricultural products will be increased, so definitely it would help out overall in the world as well, because we know that and now there's a food scarcity. We are actually going into era of food scarcity. So we need these kind of advancements. So at the end, again, I would like Naveed to show you, please. You can see the sheds behind there. There are a lot of sheds. Even on this side, Naveed, please, last side. Yes, if you can show them, see the covered vegetables, covered fruits are there. Even some fruit pickings are also there. So the purpose, I guess, is clear now that we also need these kind of advancement. And Japan is such a beautiful country. Must visit Japan. And again, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe so that you can watch our other videos as well. Thank you so much.